Hey guys, Matt Smallbone with Forcer for Georgetown FR3. Today I want to show you how our 4-seat sofa operates. So over on each side, you'll see that both of these outside seats are powered. So right here, starting from closest to me, moving on, you're going to have a recline setting right here. So you just hold that button down, that'll allow you to recline. And then this will get you right back up to upright. That's the button right next to it. And then this one next to that one is going to be your lumbar support. So the one closest to me will actually push the lumbar out, and then the one next to it will actually retract that lumbar support. And then next to that, you're going to have a heat button. And when you press that button, you'll notice that the actual cup holder will light up red. That indicates that the heat is on. And then to turn it off, all you gotta do is just press that again. And then next to that, you'll see this dot, and that is actually your massage feature on this couch. And then on the very far left, you'll have a light here. So if you want some ambient lighting for your cup holder, that's how you turn that on. One thing to note is when the light is on and then you operate heat, it'll actually glow purple. That'll indicate that the light is on as well as heat being on. And then to turn that off, all you gotta do is just press the light button again and that'll turn right off. You do have a USB charger that is implemented in this cup holder as well. And then for the two middle seats, these are manually operated. So you actually do have pulls on each side that'll actually allow that to recline. But then also the back support will actually come down, create another area for your cup holders, another little gathering area there. And then also this button right here operates our power station. That'll be in both of these middle two seats.